for some junk wood from Home Depot. That turned out pretty nice. We have a little bit of a new format. I had purchased the rights to music on the videos before, and I thought because I had owned it for that period of time that I could use it now, even though I canceled my subscription. They wouldn't let me. They demonetized me on my last video. So I can't make my $12 a month anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit different. I sort of like the style. Hopefully you guys will enjoy what we have coming up. It's gonna be a little bit of a fast forward video of the entire assembly of the bed. So thanks for coming and watching. Hey, welcome to the Rod Garage. We are putting in our bed floor today. I think it looks really awesome. Hopefully you guys like it. We left patina strips. We put new wood, just Home Depot wood. Save a ton of money, and it's gonna work perfectly fine because this girl's gonna be a shop truck. Anyway, appreciate you guys coming by and checking it out. For some junk wood from Home Depot, that turned out pretty nice. I love the patina on the strips. We didn't strip them down or anything. We did clear coat them so they wouldn't bleed rust onto the wood. We sealed the wood, put like a mild stain on it. The bottom side is painted black. Underneath the truck, it looks perfect. In here, I think it looks perfect. Tell us what you think. It's a lot more work than you think. The entire time you saw Tommy working up there, I was underneath the truck working the other side. Anyway, we appreciate you guys coming by and watching what we do. We've got some really cool builds coming up for you. Some finishing up some projects. The LS Land Rover. We got the 74 Ford F-250 that we're doing also. And we're working on a new project. 78 C10. No, scratch that. 78 C60 that we're going to put down on the ground and low. I think you're going to love it. Thanks for coming out and sharing time with us. And as always, thanks for watching.